Ever stared at your Grab wallet bulging with digital cash, yearning to transfer it to the familiar comfort of your bank account? We've all been there. Maybe you need the funds for a bigger purchase, or perhaps you just prefer the security of a traditional bank. But the question remains, can you actually make that transfer happen? Fear not, fellow Grab users. Today's video dives deep into the world of Grab wallets and bank transfers, answering your burning question, is there an escape route for your digital dough? Hold on, let's talk Grab wallets. Before we delve into the nitty-gritty of transfers, let's rewind a bit. Grab wallets are incredibly convenient. Top up on the go, pay for rides and meals with a tap, and enjoy seamless online transactions. They're practically an extension of our digital selves. Here's the catch, Grab wallets are considered closed-loop systems. This means the money resides within the Grab ecosystem, functioning primarily for transactions within their platform. It's like having a handy stash at your local fair, perfect for buying cotton candy and funnel cakes, but not so useful for bills or groceries back home. So, can we break free? The short answer? Not directly. Grab wallets currently don't have a built-in function to transfer funds directly to your bank account. This might feel like a dead end, but fear not, there are workarounds. Here are a couple of options you can explore. Option 1. Cash out with a Grab partner. This method involves a friendly neighborhood Grab driver or merchant. Here's how it works. Find a partner, look for merchants or drivers accepting GrabPay. Top up their account, use your Grab wallet to top up their GrabPay account, essentially paying them for a service they won't actually render. Cashback. Once the transaction is complete, arrange with the partner to receive the equivalent amount in cash, minus any agreed-upon fees. Important note, this method relies on trust and may involve a small service fee for the partner's time. Always prioritize safety and choose trusted individuals for these transactions. Option 2. Embrace the third-party shuffle. Several online platforms facilitate transfers between e-wallets and bank accounts. These services act as intermediaries, allowing you to move your Grab wallet funds to your bank with some added steps. Find a trusted platform, research reputable e-wallet transfer services. Look for secure platforms with transparent fees and good user reviews. Link your accounts, connect your Grab wallet and bank account to the chosen platform. Initiate transfer, follow the platform's instructions to initiate a transfer from your Grab wallet to your bank account. Keep in mind, these services often come with processing fees, so factor that into your transfer amount. Remember, always ensure you're using a secure and trustworthy platform when opting for third-party transfers. Double-check all transaction details before confirming to avoid any mishaps. Beyond the escape plan. While transferring funds directly might not be an immediate possibility, Grab is constantly evolving. Who knows, maybe future updates will introduce a direct bank transfer option. In the meantime, the workarounds mentioned above offer some flexibility in managing your Grab wallet funds. The takeaway: while directly transferring Grab wallet funds to your bank isn't currently available, the workarounds offer a path to move your digital cash. Remember to prioritize security and consider any associated fees before making a transfer. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.